We have a mini museum.
Oh, sounds enticing.
So, we've done that one. We haven't done that one. And we haven't done that one.
So we shall do which one?
That one.
Let's do this then. We shall do the drift on this little load there. And it doesn't look promising, but let's see if they found anything.
Let's go.
Quite a muddy level, isn't it? Al's found a little... Oh, okay.
There's nothing in it. Well, there's a bit of a load in there. They tried.
All right, okay.
And they gave up really quick.
And they've obviously backfilled that all in again since. Yeah, I can't see anything. There's a couple of little quartz veins there in the roof, isn't there? Once again, we have a very high watermark up there on the wall. It's a very tall level. Unusually tall. And if we look up there, those shot holes are going backwards. So the miners have clearly made this level higher than it was originally by blasting the roof out backwards. Probably to see if there's any more load stuff up there, which there isn't. So they've clearly tried to see if there's any more load up there. Because I was just thinking the same, why was it so high? Nice rail chair here with a tapered wooden wedge to hold the rails in place and a couple of seals or gaskets for the compressed air pipes for the drills.
Size of that shot.
Wow, gee, that's huge.
What the heck?
Wow, that is one big drill.
borer.
It is, isn't it? Should I even call it a load? I can't see any metal ore in that. I see a lot of quartz and I see a lot of iron. I can fit 3 fingers in that. There's an enormous shot hole. Obviously taking full advantage of those newfangled rock drills. This level dates from about 1910, so that is the period that this new drill would have been tested.
We have a mini museum.
Oh, sounds enticing.
Lots of tracks.
Plenty of yeah.
Something on the track which is welded to it.
Oh, is it a rail chair upside down?
It could be.
Is that what it is?
There's another one there.
Oh yeah. Ha! They haven't taken the chairs off.
Remains of the dynamite box.
Yeah. Bucket, dynamite box on the left.
I think it's glass. It is.
Is it really?
It's a broken bottle.
Oh well. Cemented into the formation. It's a petrified bottle, that's what it is.
Remains of dynamite box again. Lots of fuse. Lots of broken fuse.
There's the box, and then I think, is that a det tin right there? A
Looks like
detonator
it.
tin, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Loads of bits of fuse. There's a gasket there, a round gasket from the compressed air pipe.
And that's about it.
Wow.
This would have been their storage. They probably had a door on here, wouldn't they?
Yep, definitely. A little underground storage hut. Lots of running water on the floor, isn't there? Oh wow. What did I miss? Shiny ones.
Look at these. Oh my god.
Step in them. Oh wow, yes.
Gold. Golden coloured silver.
Ooh, those are nice.
Beauties, aren't they? Look over here.
Some silver ones over there.
It's a big one in the middle. There's a colour to it.
Little nest around it.
Fascinating. And then these dark coloured ones here.
Yeah.
They're everywhere in here.
Be careful when you walk.
Just walking the
It is
water.
everywhere where the water splashes from the ceiling and makes
Yeah.
it fall. Is where they seem to fall.
Look at them all.
Some golden ones here. So we're coming into an area of soft ground. There's that load, and there we have a collapse. With the water backed up to the roof, they've obviously tapped in a real stream of water up there, probably coming down through the load. So that's as far as we can go this way.
That way we go.
One more.
One more.
This looks pretty cool because look what's in the roof.
Yes, what's that wheel?
We have a very large flywheel.
Oh, look above
They
that.
finally found some good ore. About time too.
They've stoked that up.
Finally found.
Oh, look how
something.
wide it is.
Yeah. They
Oh, wow.
finally found something worth stoping.
Look at that. That's cool.
So that wheel is part of the ventilation fan system for extracting air through the pipes and sucking fresh air into the end of the mine.
There's some structure on the floor here, look.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well, that was for.
Well, it's fixed.
Trip over the boulder. It must have been part of this assembly.
I think so.
So that is well over 100 years old now, and it's still hanging on up there, isn't it?
So is that up there? Look, all
Yeah,
the rock.
that too.
slight collapse there.
Uh-huh.
There's tons of rocks on top of there.
And what's the timber?
That's larch.
Large. Yeah.
There's the larch. This is completely different rock. Look at it.
We're driving in the middle of the load here.
Totally.
Look how different it looks. Yeah. This rock is all smashed up.
The air compressed pipes are very low in here compared to
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
to the other levels.
How percolative that load is. All that water pouring through it. Very, very smashed up rock, to put it bluntly. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah. This is more like it. This is more like it.
Yeah, I wonder why they gave up, you know.
Ah. So this isn't a lead stope, this is a zinc stope. Look at all that blackjack up there.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah,
There it is.
there it is. So yeah, they're extracting zinc now. Miners called that blackjack because it looked like lead but just darker, hence the name. Nice wall there. Suitable because that is hydrozincite. There it is. That's a big stope.
It is. Very big stone. Look at these timbers sitting on these rocks sitting on these timbers.
Yeah. And some of the rock that's already come down.
There's a way up there, you know.
Wow. I'm glad they found something after all of that drilling. Look at this timber behind your head. There's like one tiny fragment of it still touching the timber. There's that timber that's just got one little point still touching the rock. Luckily it's not holding anything up anymore, but nonetheless. It's another here not doing anything anymore, but equally squidgy.
It's the end, Ioan.
It is the end. Oh, but what's in the floor?
Yes. Looks like a manway.
Aha! Yes, we have a manway.
We do. But what we don't have is climbing gear.
We'll have to come back for this one then.
But the air compressed pipe goes that way.
Oh yeah. So manway over here and then compressed air over there.
Do you see any ladders or anything?
I can see the pipes, the compressed air pipes going down, but no ladders. It looks like an ore chute actually, because it's got like a wooden partitioning and a lining to it, yeah. So they could have been using this to shoot ore from this level down to the next.
I think this is a mission to come back to.
There's a dead end there as well. So this is where they've stopped following the load and gone down instead.
We need to go down.
Definitely.
How about that? That was pretty cool.
Another cool explore. It's
Yeah.
the mine that keeps on giving.
It is.
We've
We're
got
in,
even
we're in
more.
the same mine, and we've been down 2 levels over our last adventures.
And then now we got this.
Now we got this. Big thanks to everyone that follows us and all our new subscribers as well. Thank you very much. And
We've got the ROV to come out.
that's next.
Dust the cobwebs off that, and
Yeah.
then we've got some abseiling to do. So, tell me
So
on the agenda.
leave in the comments what you would like to see next, ROV or a bit of abseiling, and
Let us know what you'd like to see, and then we'll try and do just that.
thank you very much and all the best to you.
Ciao for now.